table because I am started and I got my second Diet Coke of the day, so hopefully it'll be good.
And it's Caribbean night.
Caribbean night, I'll get Caribbean
Jerk chicken and jerk pork chops. You guessed it, I'm getting both.
Very good.
Yep.
Here you
and
go.
a French onion soup.
Oh, me too.
We'll bring it to you.
There you go.
All right. We'll bring it to you right about
now. My knees are killing me. Yeah.
Terry got the fried shrimpies.
Yay. Thank you.
I got French onion soup. Jackaroo got a salad, Caesar salad, and Terry also got French onion soup that just arrived. Terry got the Caribbean chicken with extra rice. I got the Caribbean chicken. You can keep those things, plantains. Jack got, what is that, Jack?
Shrimp.
Shrimp and rice.
You got
brownie and ice cream for dessert. I got the pineapple sunshine cake. Jack got chocolate ice cream. Good evening.
We're at the casino getting ready to close out our night, but we both got lucky in the casino tonight, so
We did.
a good day and a good night. Yeah.
It was. And a long day. It was fun.
And now we got our chocolate martini because it's so good.
And by the way, we got a little heart on it.
So pretty. And they're so good. Yummy, yummy. I'm gonna take
Yep.
some.
All right.
Cheers.
Anyway, then we're calling it a night. So we will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's the sea day. It's our last day on this cruise.
Good night.
So we'll see you in the morning. You know where she'll be tomorrow.
I hope so.
I don't know if I'll be in here or not. It ain't been that great. We'll see you tomorrow.
Good night.
Oh, by the way, these guys are crazy.